How to send TikTok videos on WhatsApp without link. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can easily do that. Without any further delay, let's just jump right into the video. First thing you have to do is simply open up your TikTok first. So from here you're gonna have to find the video that you want to share. Now let's say if I want to share this video right here, I'll just tap on the video and tap on the share button. And once you tap on the share button here, you'll have different options, like you can copy link, which will allow you to paste the link anywhere you want to share, whether it's WhatsApp or any other platforms. You can do that. But you could also do is select WhatsApp directly from here. Since I already have WhatsApp available here, I can just tap on it. If you don't see it here, tap on more and find WhatsApp from there. Now once you select WhatsApp here, all you have to do is select where you want to share it. Let's say if I want to share it to this group right here, I can just tap on it and tap on send. Now before I send it, it will show me a preview of the video, and you can copy the link from here if you want as well. So just tap on send and the video will be sent. That's basically it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.